Welcome back to Benny's Custom Works, proudly supported by Spares Box. Don't forget BCW 5 upon checkout. We're down here today at the GDR Festival. It's the first major event since the Sydney Dragway major overhaul, so be pretty keen to see what we can do today, going down the track with the Cresta.
Not a bad first pass. Good to be back at Sydney. Massive shout out to the whole crew that's done the track here, led by Frank Tarabay. It's been a fantastic upgrade, and the concrete track's only going to get better with age, so we'll definitely be out here punching PBs in no time. So that first pass we did get a little bit of wheel spin, not straight away off the line. It kind of moved a little bit then spun, so we might look at changing some shock settings a little bit, but I think I'll probably just go out again and see how we go. The burnout might have been a little bit too big as well, so maybe that's overheated the tyres. We do have to check the tyre pressures. Unfortunately, we didn't check the tyre pressures in the lane before we went out, so I might knock a couple of pound out of the tyres and see where we go. I don't want to change more than one thing at once though, so I will definitely look at the tyre pressures before we go to changing shock settings.
stronger. Obviously, getting out of the hole just makes it a lot nicer of a pass off the bat. We did take off in second, as I mentioned, so that's allowed us to kind of, well, not spin out of the hole, but the backside of that is obviously you're not going to accelerate anywhere near as hard. So it'll be interesting looking at the timesheet. This is best at 8.2, taking off in second. We'll see what it looks like. I'd hopefully say that it's kind of a 8.2, 8.3. It definitely felt quicker than the previous pass. But yeah, the timesheet will be the telling part. You never get this. You got a strap? I can probably tow it back if you want.
Oh, now look who's just flaunting, alright? There's no need to flaunt.
Sorry to see it, bro. Yeah, look at the mile an hour.
Good data, man.
Well, that's us pretty much done for the day. We've had an awesome day down at GDR Festival. Massive thanks to Motive DVD for hosting it. Thanks to also Andrew Hawkins for basically putting in the effort to actually organise this event. These sort of events wouldn't happen without people like Andrew, so massive thanks to him again and all of his team, of course, because there's a lot of people involved in putting the event together. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.